Hello, hello. Anybody here? Oh, let me check that. Francis, hello. How are you? How are you? You're the first to come here, I think. There's nobody else. Hello. Did you get any advance with your project, Francis? No problem. No problem at all. Hey, Danny. How are you? Any questions? Anything? Yasin, hello. Welcome. I think we're getting some more people right away. Monica, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. It's Friday. Tomorrow we have the weekend, so everything's good. Okay. Monica, hello. Hi, hi. The Francis still can't figure out why my iOS isn't loading onto the store. Onto the store. But you mean in the builder, the Francis, or something else in the stores? Please let me know. Augusto, what's up? Omar, hello. Welcome. Good, like maybe 1 week or two, Danny, and then you will run smoothly through all the system configurations and stuff. Also, if you have any questions, do not forget to come here to see the lessons, or to get in the knowledge base, or to chat with the guys in support, anywhere. Um, Yasin, can I use the iOS native app with Platinum package? Yes, you can. And let me see if we have the prices yet. Let's see. Yasin asked, okay, this is the, oh, I assume it's, okay, curious. Let's see. This is the Enterprise Grounds you're doing Pro. Okay, Yasin, I will look at all my publicity. Yasin, click here with Alonso. But yeah, you can get it in your Platinum panel. Matika, hello. Welcome back. Welcome, everyone. Today I want to show you how to get your business live for your customers, and a few strategies that you can, after launching, that you can proceed to do, like sending some push notifications for advertisement, maybe Facebook ads and stuff. Let's just wait a little bit more so we can gather some more audience. Okay, guys? Thank you very much for being here like every day. Let me know if I answered all of your questions so far. And if you have any questions, just type them in the chat. I'll be happy to help you. Today is Friday, guys. Have any of you tried the new ticketing system that we have? What do you think about it? The one that we have with Zendesk. Yeah, see, I'm not able to arrange the products as my way. The products arrangement in the ordering editor is alphabetically. Yes, in so if you need it to be somehow I think you have to do a few changes in the ordering builder in order to make it happen, to change the arrangement. I'm not entirely sure, but take a look with them. They will help you out. They are very happy to help. Omar, on the app. Okay, Omar. If it works on the website, you have to make sure that the setup of Facebook is correctly done. So bear with me, and at the end, or in the middle of this explanation, I will quick show you how the the Facebook setup must be done. So maybe there's a thing that we missed, and I will show you how to get it fixed right here. Okay. Everyone can hear me, can see my screen. Everything seems nice and easy. I think we won't get any more people because it's Friday and they're doing something else. But it's okay. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, Matija, I have a question about launching app. We press on the store. I'm able to limit. Am I able? Am I able to limit number of downloads in order to test everything short time under amusement? Mm, Matija, I think you can't do something like that, Matija. What you can do is unpublish it after you get I don't know, after 1 week, and then see how it works and then publish it again. But I haven't seen that, like, never. Can you hear me well? I hear something here in the building. I don't know. You can test the app, Matija, with using your QR code or by testing the build demo button in your builder. I will show you how also. Okay. Mm, Last sip of water. Okay. Well, let's get this started, guys. Hello, as every day, from Monday to Friday. My name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering. I'm the head of marketing. Um, After this stream is over, the video, the sixth, how is it, 17th lesson will be uploaded in the YouTube channel, so you can take a look anywhere, whenever you like. Today we're going to talk about you, what things you have to do to launch your project live for the customers, right? Okay, let's get this started. I will open the knowledge base because I want to show you how things are getting done. Okay, here we have a list of a few things that you have to get. Let me make this bigger, like this. I think this is good. Let me know if you can't see it and I will help you. Okay. So as you can see here, welcome stuff where we explain how the ordering platform works, how to get the how where we are right now talking in regards to today's lesson is that we have already done our apps, and the apps are in the stores and you have tested them and everything works perfectly, and the customers can start downloading the temporal domain, which is ordering.co everywhere, but your real installation, like your project, I want to let you know. I don't know. So that is another thing that you will have to get done. The Google Maps API key must be set. Some of you are having issues with that. The most common issue is that the APIs are not well set. Take a look at the article here and you will find out what is happening. If you can't understand the article or something, or even if you don't want to read it, please send an email to support@dorting.co or submit a ticket here, submit a request. I will show you like how it looks. Uh, come, is this? Yeah, okay, it's loading. It's a bit slow. If you have any questions, do not forget them to write them in the chat. As soon as I get some time, I will answer all of them, okay? So now we are logged in. If we click here and submit as a request, you here submit what is going on. What are you having questions about, okay? So let me go back, getting started here. Also, when I talk about your apps being ready and that your customers can use it, this means that you already have the delivery zone set, the business menu set, the prices of your products. Everything must be set because the customer, when he gets in your website, he must be able to purchase already, to purchase all of the products or services you have there. Okay, that is very important. For example, here in the demo, business, each business, you can see the products, categories, rating, everything is set here. For example, your site must be looking something like this with nice images, nice product options, the prices of everything. The domain must be yours. Banners, logos, information of the store, like opening time, location, photo gallery if you have. Oh, take a look. This looks nice. Nice. This looks very, very delicious. Okay. Reviews, if your customer has reviews. Sorry, if your store has have any review, it'll look like this. So make sure to get everything set before you launch. Okay. Also, the one of the most important things. If you have an upselling feature, make sure to put some products here in order to get more money. Okay. If you have login, someone asked about login. Who was it? Omar. Omar, let's take a look. So I will quick show you how the Facebook login must be set. Actually, here, Facebook login, here is. Okay, so you will have to be sure that everything that is explained in this video is done correctly, okay? In further lessons, I will explain, and I will do an exercise with you live on how we can make this happen, okay? So, you have to get in the developers.facebook.com. You have to create a new ID. Here you put some information that is explained here. Okay, Omar, so you have to take a look. Uh, Make sure to fill up everything. Then you add a website. Then you add a few URLs that we already have in this particular um, tutorial. So you don't have to figure out what Omar in the builder. Let me open my builder. 1 second. I'll get back to the questions. I see there are some of questions over there. Okay. So the bundle, Omar, what is it called here? Bundle ID is this one, is the package. It must match between Facebook and your apps, okay? Then you add the Android. It's kind of the similar thing. You have to put the Google Play package name, which is the same package that is in the builder. The class name is this one. Here is actually. You can copy and paste it, okay? Don't put something else because it won't work. Android and a website, you click save or save changes or update or whatever is saying here. I'm saying whatever because Facebook sometimes change the layout, but the functionalities are the same, okay? Now, after we did all that, we have to click in the products and then set up login with Facebook, then go in settings and establish all this. Most of the times, the issues, Omar, are here. Okay, make sure to have the settings like this, and make sure to put the URLs like this. First, localhost, then Facebook, this, then HTTPS, uh, 2 points, slash, slash, and everything. And then your domain, the real domain, okay? Put them in this order. Now you set the app for review, put the application identifier in the Facebook ID field in the builder, and then the name of the Facebook app name, it's the same as your app. And then go in here, super admin. As a super admin, go inside admin area, more integrations. Oh no, it is here right now. It is here. It is in settings, then Facebook settings, and then put this stuff. I can see the article is a bit outdated. I will make sure to update it and I will let you know once. Well, you can see the article after and it'll work. Okay, Omar, make sure that we have everything there set. And if there's something missing, do not forget to send an email to support or submit a ticket right here. Somewhere else. Create an order. Okay. Okay. No, thanks. Okay. So now that we are logged in as a super admin, imagine that I'm make sure to have a Stripe set up, okay, for the customers just to click here and select the card. Also, I would recommend you to change this. Actually, just do it. It's not a recommendation. Just do it. You have to change this thing that says Stripe, the language variable, to say credit card or debit card. So, because if I'm a customer and I don't know what's Stripe, I will just say, they only have cash, card delivery, and Stripe, whatever that is. Okay? Change this text to say card or credit card or anything. And then the customer will click on it and it will say, okay, this is where I put the cards. I can add a card here. And they just put their own card and then you can get paid. Okay? Now, once we place the order, uh, fields, okay. Excuse me. Let's use Stripe and then this one. Accept. The other, the other like the administration party, you guys must know that they have to continue the orders. You have to get ready to receive orders right away. And if you have the drivers, make sure to get them live in their apps. If the business apps are working for your stores, make sure for them to be logged in and must have to launch the push notification services. We deliver your apps, uh, the IPA file and the APK file in less than 10 working days. After that, you have to test them and you have to make sure everything works. And if something is not working properly, make sure to get in touch with us to make it work perfectly, okay? Also, these push notification services, we are talking about those push notifications that your customer, your driver, and your business owner will get in their devices every time there is an order status change. Okay, bear that in mind. Those are very important. Also, there are a few things that like tips. Okay, clear cache. This means you have to do it, but your customers will see the first thing, the last thing that you updated the first time they get in your site, okay, or don't load your apps or anything. Also, inform your customers using a mailing campaign or maybe a push notification on their devices when they install the app. Um, Use Facebook ads to advertise your product, Google ads to rank up. There are a lot of things. Also, you can submit your URL to the search engines. You just have to do this setup, okay, to submit the ordering website that you have in the search engines. Also, if you want to put your site somewhere else, like in a landing page that you might have, read this article. It explains how to get your um, your website showing on any website you have. Okay, you have to embed this code and then just do a few changes. Okay, if you're having any issues like 404, make sure to follow this and have to make sure that um, before you launch the day. So be sure about it. I will answer some questions that we have. I have a question about, okay, you have also, when it comes to testing, this is answer for Matija. So when it comes about testing, you have to make sure that this is just failing there. Click on the build demo and test it just in the browser. Let me open a new builder. Okay, here it is. And then, okay, here. I was in the app, wasn't I? Okay, here. New Star, wait for me. I'm coming. I'm reading everything, New Star. Thank you for your patience. Okay. Uh, so here, Matija, we have to click in Build Apps. Then you can either read the QR code, just like with your normal, like your QR reader in your phone, and the app will get installed. In Android, you can read the code that is here, okay? But on iOS, you have to add the UDID of your iPhones in the certificates. I explained this in another lesson. I think it was the how to load your apps lesson, okay? So make sure of that. This is one way for testing them. Also, you can click and build demo and build them to see them in the URL, in a link here. And here you can see kind of how they will look on the device, okay? Tutorials, the, the colors, if everything is working smoothly here, and so on, okay? The other way that you have to test your apps is Test Lite for iOS. This one, and how to test my apps. Well, for Android, you can just download the QR code on as many Android devices as you like. Okay, you just read this. You as with your Android phone. Well, not Android phone, but with the any phone that is not Android, basically. Okay, except Windows Phone. I don't know if those exist anymore, but yeah. That is the way to test them. Also, if you have in your website, you can you can let me know if you can hear that. If it is not, can you hear me well? I hear something in the background. You can hear me well? Please let me know. Please let me know if you can hear me well. Because I hear something in the background here in the building. Yeah, you can hear me well? Amazing. Okay, thank you. Let me continue. So, uh, hearing okay. Okay, everyone can hear me well. Oh, this is very loud on my end. I think this AirPods are working perfectly. Okay. So about that also for your website, you can also test them in the temporal domain, and then before you launch them uh, in the sorry, I hear it very loudly here. Okay. Um. So imagine this: you already have your domain set, so you just click here. Here another button will appear where it says production website. Okay, when you have your domain set up. If you don't have it ready, you can test the all the changes that you are doing in your ordering website right here in the staging mode. Okay, so you can test in those two those two ways also the website. Let me jump into the next question. Pa, pa, pa. Yasin, from where I get credentials to log in business app? Yasin, the business app logs in with your business owner's account. So you just have to create business owners here in users. Here you create the business owners, and since you put the password, those will be the credentials that you can use to log in. If you don't have any business account on hand, just I think the accounts will be the default ones. Okay, so just try using business at ordering.co, password business, Yasin. Okay, new start. We are at your question right now. Hi, everybody. Hi, Alonso. Tell me, please, in which product is better than in which calendaria? Calendaria. This is Mauricio, by the way. New start. Calendaria. What is that? I remember something. It was like a template for a website or something like that. This is the one? Well, first of all, this is a template for something that I don't really know if it works. Um I have to do more digging. New start. I don't really know what is that. Let me know like specific questions maybe. I have to take a look since those doesn't seem really like or uh, like I don't know. Isaac, greetings. Omar, does my team have to organize the delivery or can the store on the platform handle choosing the drivers, etc.? There are two ways, Omar. So if you have uh, the delivery, sorry, the auto assignment, the YouTube lesson, delivery automation, and uh, payment. No, let me see. Or what I was talking about, or you can do it manual by order. There are the two ways, Omar. So you won't miss anything. Let me show you the. I'm looking for the. I remember doing it. Oh, no. Okay, here the seventh lesson, Omar. I explain about the delivery automation and how everything works. It can be automatically done by the platform with some settings, or it can be done by you just by clicking on each order here and selecting the drivers and changing the status. You can do it both ways. Okay, Omar? Next, new start. You retracted a message. You added the UDID uh, file. Go here in testflight.apple.com to learn more about how to get it installed in your App Store account, and then you can test it on iOS devices. Give it a try. If nothing works and you already submitted a ticket to support, send a ticket to me and I will help you out. Send it to Mauricio at ordering.co. Okay, Augusto, what those other stripe options stands for, or what they do? Oh, the other stripe options. Let me show you. I know what you mean. Who was that? Augusto. So the other stripe options are actually. Let me go in the checkout. Okay, this. So we have a stripe, which is the normal stripe. This stripe saves credit cards or debit cards. Okay. A Stripe Direct does not save credit cards or debit card. We have these two options because in some countries you can save the cards, in some others you don't. The laws does not allow you to. PayPal Express will use PayPal. Stripe Connect. Stripe Connect allows you to split the payments between your business owner and you as a super administrator. I explained it about these payment gateways right here in the ninth lesson. It says payment gateways and homepage customization. Okay, you can give it a go and try it out. Also, Stripe Redirect. What we mean with Stripe Redirect is that we have a few branches of Stripe. Let me see if I can find them here. If not, let me see if I can find it. Okay, here. I don't remember if it would say redirect. Okay, yeah. So with Stripe Redirect, you have the chance to use LEPay, Ideal, Bank Contact, and GiroPay, which are Stripe branches. Some of these are allowed in some places that if you have a Stripe, don't worry about it. But if you don't have it and any of these branches are allowed in your country, you can use it. And along with that, you will be using Stripe environment. Okay, that is what it is, Augusto. Okay, here. Okay, maybe once rolling sound. I don't know what was it, Isaac. Sorry about it. There's some building something here. Oluwaf Oluwafemi. Yes, thank you for hearing me well. My project is already on my custom domain. Amazing, Matika. That is a very well done job. Okay, custom domain to showcase the maps. Hmm, Danny, that question. To show your apps in the builder, the easiest way must be can be just for you to give them this link. But since this is running in our servers with some integrations in the API, you won't be able to change the URL. So maybe what you can do is, what can we do here, Danny? Just show them with this, or use this widget. With this widget, you can show the app in other domain with your name. Yeah, that'll be the thing that you will have to do, Danny. So imagine you have another website, right? Like an landing page. Inside there, actually what? Let me try something. Let's try something here because I think we can put a code in a page. Is it loading? You all can still see me, right? Actually, let me put it in the other. Oh, I could understand your question, by the way, New Star. So, Danny, let me get in my account and I will try to set up a page. More start pages. Okay, this is not working properly, apparently. I want to see what is going on. This is not working for some reason, Danny. Sorry, but what I was talking about is that maybe you can put the code that you already have in your builder as an iframe and put it in any landing page that you have, because apparently this is not working properly. You see, this is loading for some reason. We'll have to take a deeper look at it. Um, Let me go back here and see what else we have to do. If you have any integrations, um, well, I think that's it, guys. To get launched, that is all. I will actually, Danny, I will actually pass this onto the product team to see what we can do there, because at the end of the day, you are the ones that keep us here. So we want to help you. I will find out if we can change that domain in particular. Everything runs smoothly very soon, and else. I think you can be launching in less than 2 3 weeks. I mean, I don't know what you think. I mean, right now the builder. Let me see if it worked. Matija, it worked. So now me, I will put my iOS device here. It sends me a push notification to install the app, and then I install it, and then I can see it here, just uh, uh, to the left of my Ordering Pro app, and I can test it on my iOS. Try one more time, Matija. Be sure to the Apple ID doesn't have any gaps or spaces at at the beginning, and it should work perfectly. Okay. Also, questions about raising demo orders before launching with super admin requires password. What should be password? So do you mean super admin password? You can select. That is the one, Matija. That is the password. But will be better if you was frank and clear. You know, current area for sure. You have many ads in Google. Oh, I'm not working with the ads. I don't know. Also, I do not work with Carenderia. So um, I don't know what to tell you, new star. I can tell you that I'm not Alonso. That's for sure. About Carenderia, you can see it, guys. I don't really have anything to hide. I don't know what are these. It seems like a competition. I don't know something, but Code Canyon. This is like some kind of license for a marketplace. I don't really know. Do they have a site or something? Apps. Okay, Omar, you too. Let's try something. Matija and Omar, can you look if there is a gap here in your Apple Team ID or at the end? If there is nothing, please just fill up everything one more time. Leave this one as blank. Update the two-factor authentication, and then click the build app test and click test build test first, and then build pro, and then the store. No, send me an email. You already have my email. It's Mauricio at ordering.co. Let me send you again. Okay. But yes, guys, that is all that you need to launch your apps. Explain it in less than 50 minutes. Okay, if everything runs smoothly again, and you are helping us with the forms, and you have your designs ready, and your marketing strategy set, and everything, you can launch in 3 weeks. I mean, that's very fast to launch a project. I mean, since everything is done, you won't have any issue, but I can. It's very loud. I don't know what's happening. I think there's building something. Please let me know if you have any more questions. Also, if there's anything that I didn't answer besides New Star's question about calendaria, please let me know. The Francis, yeah, ask me. You're not able to find any errors. However, my iOS. I will have to take a look at your project, the Francis. Uh, there is no gap in your Apple ID. I remember that we talked about before. The Francis, what about send me an email and I will take a deeper look in just 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. I just have to move locations. I will be here again. Send me an email, differences to mauricio@ording.co, and I will help you out right away so we can get that sorted out. How app, how about app screenshots for stores? Can we do it with, for example, DaVinci apps? Oh, the apps for the stores in the listing. Uh, you can. Yeah. No. Okay, I can find it. Let me see. Support, listing, upload app store. Okay, here we have the bundle, and to resize them, Matija, I'll be happy to help you. Uh, let's say a few third-party services, Matija, that can help you create the right sizes for the images. And where are the sizes? Let me see them here. Here you have the sizes and everything. And then, if you want to, we use Photoshop or Illustrator. I don't know if you know those. However, if you're in Platinum package, it already includes them. So we should be making those for you, Matija. Okay. Um, DaVinci apps. This you can use something like this, Matija, to make them. Just be sure that for Apple, 1 meet, 2 meets, 3 meets to choose from area. Is there a way for within this ordering software can set up the option that would like your help above? Hmm. I think you can do that, Omar, with the conditionals, maybe. But mm, I don't really know how you in here and then this one. Okay, so for example, I don't know if this will help you, Omar. You saying if the customer selects make it combo as yes, which is the option above, these beverages will show in the front end for the customer. For example, what was this? Is a sausage burrito. So I will show you how it works. If the customer sausage. If the customer clicks this yes, this one shows. I don't know if this works for you, Omar. Please let me know. I will be happy to help you. So, Omar, send me an email at support at ordin. No, no, no. Better send it to me. Send it. I don't know if you have any more questions, guys. Please, as always, help me to gather more information about what you want me to talk about. Right here, submit all your haven't already done it. Okay. Thank you all for being here. It's my pleasure as always. This video gets uploaded in the stores just after the stream is done. And um, well, happy weekend, guys. Be safe, and I will see you on Monday. Thank you and have a great weekend.